But, she's going to Chicago. It's gonna take forever to get there. Oh, where are you going? No, go this way.
I can't use this restroom?
You can, just get in the seat real quick. You go this way. Into this teeny tiny corridor to go upstairs. Apparently you haven't been on a train in forever. What? You can get in your chair. Yeah, but put your stuff up because those restrooms are teeny tiny. You can't just like, oh, I'm gonna just sit inside this restroom. You wanna sit closer to the diner car or what? What? I mean, it doesn't really matter where you sit. What?
I'm gonna sit in the front.
You can't sit in the front. That's coach.
Is this coach?
No, not over here. I mean, this is still technically wherever, but Either
This way
way,
nobody's in front of me.
doesn't matter if someone's in front of you or not.